Hello, my name is David, and today we are going to make the two-tentacled Octarian out of polymer clay from Splatoon. So, you might have seen the tutorial for the one-tentacled Octarian, but I am just going to explain this one. So, I take some tin foil, and I make a tentacle, then I slice it in half and round the two tentacles. Then I take some tan clay and cover these areas with two long strips, and I blend them together. The same on the back. Then I make suction cups by taking a red ball of clay and smushing in a tan ball and making it larger to smaller. Then I take toothpicks and wrap it in tan clay and make some little boots. I like their little boots. Anyway, you make the boots by taking a cylinder and stretching out the bottom. Then I make a little face by taking a sausage of pink clay and smushing in some black here. Then I take a green ball of clay, well, two of them. I smush the bottom, then make eyelids by a flat pink ball of clay. I cut it in half and place it on the edges. Wrap it in a pink worm of clay. Then I take some gray clay, smush it here and here, some black, do the same, and bake it. And there you go. You have the two-tentacled Octarian from Splatoon.